to the Arcus Help channel. In today's video, we'll be taking a quick look at how to download an asset from the library. To do so, head on over to Applications under the Library section at the main menu. Click on the asset you would like to download, and on the Overview page, scroll down until you see the Download prompt. Your ability to download and use these assets may be limited by your permissions or by the asset's license. Agree to the terms. Click the link to the zip file to download it. Open the zip file and, optionally, give the folder a more convenient name, and you will now be able to use this asset outside Arcus. If you have any questions or if you would like to learn more, feel free to check out the links in the description, which will take you to our support page, our help site, and our YouTube channel. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Arcus.